I shall make a brief submission on the railway budget. The railway minister is the glamour boy of the government. He is an engineer from IIT Kanpur. He is a former IAS officer of the Odisha cadre, and he is also a favorite of the Prime Minister, who has given him 3 ministries. And there is no doubt that he has some achievements to his credit. During his time, Mizoram has been connected. Sir, camera nahi chal raha hai, dekhiye jara. Mizoram, Aizawl has been connected by railway line. Chenab Bridge has been constructed to connect Kashmir.
आ गया कैमरा.
And आ गया. And the Pamban Bridge, vertical lift bridge, that has been done. I congratulate the minister for these achievements. But I may also mention that during his time, the projects started by Mamata Banerjee have not been completed. There is a famous line called Arambagh to Bishnupur that has been pending for years together. It has not been complete. It connects the birthplace of Ramakrishna and Thakur Ramakrishna and his wife Sharoda Devi. Why? I do not know. The metro railway around Calcutta is not yet complete. Gadia to Barasat is lying pending for years together. The metro railway is one of the 18 railway zones in the country. I would like the minister to take personal initiative in this matter. Sir, big thing about claim by the railway minister that he has introduced Kavach, which is a safety railway accident prevention mechanism. But may I show, I asked a question on 17/12/2025. It shows that between 2014-15 to 23-24, 748 people were killed in railway accidents, 678 total. When will railway accidents peter down? He claims that in 2024-25 only 18 deaths have taken place. Will the minister please state what are the main achievements in reducing accidents? Now I told you that the railway minister is a glamour boy. He writes big glamorous projects. His favorite is Vande Bharat. And the Prime Minister goes to inaugurate these things. Yes, Vande Bharats are nice trains. They have modern facilities, and I thank the minister for that. But let me ask him, has he ever travelled? Have we ever seen the condition of metro, of local trains in Calcutta from Howrah and Shialdah? Situation is horrible. Men are treated like cattle when they get up on these suburban trains. Minister has no time for that. He is inaugurating Vande Bharat trains. But what about the trains which poor people acquire? He may say that these trains do not give sufficient revenue. The philosophy of railways should be that you make money from freight.
Dada, you are saying that minister has made a lot of contribution. You have said that minister has made a lot of contribution. On another side, you are saying that he has no time. Chal, please carry.
You are supporting me.
Yes.
Yes.
जो आपने कहा वही. जो आपने कहा कि मिनिस्टर ने बहुत काम किए हैं और फिर दूसरी तरफ आप कह रहे मिनिस्टर के पास टाइम नहीं है, तो ये कंट्राडिक्शन है ना?
नहीं, कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन यही है. ये ग्लैमर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए इसके पास टाइम है. गरीब लोगों के बारे में टाइम नहीं है.
कृपया
हमारे सब मेंबर कंप्लेन करते मिनिस्टर को चिट्ठी लिखो.
कृपया समाप्त करें.
10 चिट्ठी लिखने से एक का जवाब आता है। रेलवे बोर्ड चेयरमैन को चिट्ठी लिखो, 20 चिट्ठी लिखने से एक भी जवाब नहीं होता है। सो ये डॉक्टर जेकिल एंड मिस्टर हाइड। Dr. Jekyll is good man doing new projects. Mr. Hyde is one who does not give minimum service to the poor people who travel by trains. Sir, he's got 98%, 98.82% operating ratio, which is a good thing. Railways have to improve their, but look at the toilets. You go to Domdiaganj by train or by plane?
By road.
By road, Chairman. That's why you do not know. Look at the trains in Eastern Railway, Eastern UP. Horrible condition. Look at their toilets. Horrible condition. Today, sir, a person came to me.
Kindly conclude.
Sir, I'll conclude.
Please conclude.
I have said
5 minutes. 5 minutes already you have taken.
Another 5 minutes.
How much?
Sir,
there is a limitation.
In the Howrah Jhargram section, Minister, you will please listen to this. There are several trains: Barbil, Ishpat, Ghatshila, Ranchi, Steel Express, Kriyajog, etc. Howrah Jhargram to Tatanagar. The trains are running on an average 6 to 8 hours late. You have no officer to supervise. You say you're running, you want high-speed train to run between Mumbai and Ahmedabad. I have travelled by the high-speed Shinkansen. Have you? Sir, it travels on magnetic levitation principle. And there is no vibration, and the trains reach 1 minute ahead of time. Look at the delays in local trains. Nobody cares.
Dada,
rail
if
is
you have some demands, so you can put just raise your demand.
My demand is, my demand is that the attention should shift from high-speed glamour trains to trains carrying lower people, poor people.
Kindly conclude. You have
somebody, our Pratibha Mandal told me that she wants a train line from Joyanagar to Moipit via Jamtala.
She has already raised her concern. I think
no,
so.
She has not spoken.
You need not to report. I think
she has not spoken.
So I think so.
Sir, no.
Please kindly conclude.
I'll now conclude. I'll say that, see, I'll give you one example how railway operates.
Thank you.
In my constituency, Damdam, there is a station at Damdam which has 3 lines, including a metro line. The main road of Damdam Road, passes under the railway line. All dirt from the trains fall on the main road. People can't pass. I've told the general manager Eastern Railway 10 times. They can't repair this. So trains, this is a glamour railway. This is not for poor people. That's why I cannot support the achievements of the railway minister, though he is by far the most.